Deep beneath the restless waves of the Pacific, a legend dwells in the shadows, where the giant squid thrives in the mysterious silence of the abyss. This magnificent creature of the deep is a true gift from the ocean, representing the raw power and hidden wonders of our planet's vast, underwater world. Its giant eyes capture every glimmer of light, a testament to nature's incredible design, allowing it to navigate the crushing pressures of the midnight zone effortlessly. Every tentacle is a masterpiece of biology, powerful yet delicate, as the squid glides through its kingdom before beginning its journey to the world above. As dawn breaks over the industrial harbor, high-tech vessels return from the deep, carrying the precious harvest to be transformed into premium seafood delicacies today. Massive cranes carefully lift these 100-kilogram treasures, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken to preserve the absolute peak freshness of every single catch brought in. Experts immediately begin their rigorous inspection, measuring dimensions and assessing skin quality to ensure only the most exceptional specimens proceed to the next refining stage. Freshness is our highest priority, as every texture and color detail is analyzed meticulously before this giant of the sea enters our state-of-the-art processing facility. Welcome to our world-class facility, a sterile environment where cutting-edge technology meets strict international safety standards to prepare the finest seafood products for you. Our dedicated team operates with surgical precision, wearing specialized protective gear to maintain an absolutely germ-free environment throughout the entire complex cleaning and preparation process. High-pressure water jets erupt with focused power, beginning the essential cleaning phase by removing every impurity from the squid's surface with incredible speed and efficiency. The swirling water creates a vortex of cleanliness, gently but firmly stripping away the outer layers to reveal the pure, white meat hidden beneath the surface. In this slow-motion dance of purification, every drop of water serves a purpose, ensuring that not a single trace of sand or debris remains behind. Precision engineering takes center stage as robotic arms descend, ready to perform the delicate task of separating the different sections of the squid with millimeter accuracy. With a single perfect movement, the head is separated from the body, optimizing the yield and preparing the prime cuts for the most discerning culinary markets. Pure white slabs of ocean treasure move rhythmically along the assembly line, creating a mesmerizing pattern of productivity as they head toward the advanced sterilization zone. The meat enters the ultraviolet disinfection chamber, where intense UV rays eliminate any remaining microorganisms, guaranteeing a product that is as safe as it is delicious. This advanced light technology penetrates the surface, providing a level of purity that conventional washing simply cannot match, preserving the integrity of the natural seafood flavor. From above, the harmony of our operation is clear, a perfectly synchronized ballet of man and machine, dedicated to excellence in every single square inch of production. Every gear and belt operates in seamless unison, driving the factory forward into a future where technology and nature coexist to provide the highest quality nourishment. Inside our digital command center, advanced AI systems create virtual twins of the harvest, analyzing the unique structural properties of every giant squid caught from the sea. Sophisticated laser scanners map the muscle density and fiber orientation, allowing our computers to calculate the most efficient and precise cutting paths for every individual piece. By identifying the optimal cut zones through heat mapping technology, we maximize the use of the raw material while ensuring the highest quality of the final product. The power of water is harnessed once again, this time as a razor-sharp cutting tool that glides through the thick meat with effortless and surgical precision. Each slice is identical to the last, created without the friction of traditional blades, preserving the delicate cell structure and natural juices of the premium squid meat. The result is a texture that is remarkably firm yet supple, showcasing the incredible quality of the giant squid when handled with such advanced technological care. Glistening under the lights, these raw cuts are the foundation of excellence, ready to be infused with flavor while maintaining their magnificent ocean-born heritage and integrity. Artificial intelligence never sleeps, constantly monitoring the line to detect even the slightest imperfection in color or texture, automatically rejecting anything that falls below our standards. Only the perfect portions move forward, ensuring that every package reaching the consumer contains nothing but the absolute best results of our high-tech processing journey. The meat now enters the vacuum massage phase, where large rotating drums gently tumble the squid to naturally soften the muscle fibers for a superior dining experience. This gentle process uses the power of physics to relax the meat without damaging it, ensuring that every bite will be tender and melt in your mouth delicious once cooked. Under fluctuating pressure, the meat absorbs moisture and flavor deep into its core, transforming the tough, giant squid into a refined and delicate seafood masterpiece. A fine mist of premium sea salt and secret herbal infusions is sprayed over the meat, beginning the sophisticated seasoning process that enhances the natural sweetness. Every grain of spice is carefully calibrated to complement the ocean's flavor, creating a complex profile that will satisfy the most sophisticated palates across the world. Our industrial sous vide system uses low-temperature precision to slowly cook the squid, locking in the vital nutrients and the delicate essence of the deep sea. The soft steam carries the aroma of the ocean, as our slow cooking technology ensures that the meat remains juicy and never becomes rubbery or overcooked. Precise temperature control is the secret to our success, allowing us to achieve a level of consistency that is impossible to replicate with traditional methods, always as cephalopods. The finished product emerges as a porcelain white delicacy, radiating with freshness and boasting a texture that is both sophisticated and incredibly satisfying to the touch. Observe the incredible elasticity as we press the meat. It is firm yet tender, a hallmark of our high-tech refinement and superior quality control processes. This perfect bounce back is the ultimate proof of quality, promising a delightful culinary experience that bridges the gap between wild nature and high-end gastronomy. Before the final packaging, every piece passes through an advanced X-ray scanner, searching for any hidden impurities to guarantee the absolute safety of every customer. We see through the surface to ensure the interior is as perfect as the exterior, leaving nothing to chance in our pursuit of seafood perfection and safety. Our high-speed robotic systems take over the final handling, moving with incredible efficiency to arrange the portions perfectly in their premium, protective travel containers. Each portion is individually placed into high-grade vacuum bags designed to preserve the delicate flavors and prevent any contact with the outside environment during shipping. The air is removed in a split second, locking in the freshness and creating a protective seal that keeps the product in its peak condition for months. Every package receives a smart QR code, providing full transparency and allowing consumers to trace the journey of their meal back to the very ship that caught it. In this digital age, information is just a scan away, ensuring total trust and confidence in the origin and quality of our premium seafood offerings. The finished boxes head toward the final stage, moving quickly through the facility to ensure that the temperature remains perfectly controlled every step of the way. Welcome to the flash freezing tunnel, where extreme cold locks the product in time, preserving its cellular structure and natural taste for an entire year. This ultra-fast freezing process is the gold standard of preservation, ensuring that when you open the package, it is as fresh as the day it was caught. Now ready for global distribution, our products begin their journey to the finest restaurants and luxury dining tables around the world, from our factory to you. The journey ends here, in the world's most prestigious dining rooms, where the legend of the deep sea is finally transformed into a culinary masterpiece for you. A master chef carefully opens the seal, releasing the pure essence of the ocean and revealing the beautiful, processed meat that we have worked so hard to refine. The squid meets the heat of the pan, sizzling instantly as it develops a golden crust, while the center remains incredibly tender and bursting with natural flavor. With a burst of flame and the aroma of brown butter and garlic, the squid is elevated to a new level of culinary perfection through the chef's artistry. Every edge is seared to perfection, creating a beautiful contrast between the crispy exterior and the soft, succulent heart of the giant squid meat. Presentation is everything, as the chef meticulously arranges each slice, treating this ocean treasure with the respect and creativity it truly deserves on the plate. Final touches of microgreens and vibrant sauces complete the picture, turning a simple ingredient into a work of art that is ready to be savored and enjoyed. The first bite tells the whole story, a perfect harmony of nature's bounty and modern precision, delivering a dining experience that is truly beyond compare. Experience the ultimate in seafood excellence. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys from the heart of the deep sea to your gourmet dinner table.